In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Tinder account on your computer. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to tinder.com, then hit the sign up button, log in with phone number, and then you have to enter your phone number. So I'm going to enter my phone number now very quick, and I get back when I did. Now I entered my phone number in there, and now you get a verification code. I'm going to fill in my verification code as well, just like this. 75, continue, and if you filled it in correctly, then you can get to this. So they have to find your location, but I'm going to so you have to allow it. So I'm going to not going to allow it, but like you have to. So hit OK, hit enable, and then you have to enter your email address. So I'm going to enter my email address. Just like this. I'm using this email address, hit send email, go through your email inbox over here, and then they send you an email. Look, verify now, hit verify, and as you can see, now you verified your account on Tinder. So if this video helped you out to make a Tinder account, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.